Niger Bridge is costing 120 something million. Let us be fair. We are now trying to do Lagos Ibadan Road under PPP. I've said it before. Go to every Asian country, China and everything. What Nigerians want
is free.
Is good road.
Exactly.
It's not they are willing to pay. They want good airport. We pass through it every day.
We pay for
they
that.
They charge you all the fees. People pay it. The bridge, they are building a new bridge. The old one will still be there. If you don't want to pay, use the old one. If you want the new one, you use it. For us, it's important. It's business. You know, this is a bridge they're going to build that will enhance business. So when people come and use politics and tell you, oh, it's PPP, this is this, then you don't want it to be built. Let it be built and we pay for it. We're not going to, let nobody deceive you in that, my dear brother. I said you must ask questions because I believe that the youth are here. You talked about how you're going to be involved. My brother, there's so many ways to get involved.
Donate your money.
The man record on what is happening here. All of you here can go back to Facebook, to the internet, to everywhere, and decide to engage those people. Engage them effectively. Talk. No, let me, don't worry. Don't worry. My brother, my brother, just wait. Let me tell you what people are doing. Let me tell you, everybody talks about, you know, the problem of Nigeria. We all think about benefits.
Which one?
Exactly. We all think about benefits.
No, which one?
I've had people who have come to my face and said, Peter, you were governor for 8 years. Oh, you didn't own a house in Ikoyi, you didn't own a house in Trela, you didn't own a house.
Okay, 847. Okay.
Anybody who knew me while I lived here, Alison knew that the house where I can call a home today is a house I owned before I left here. And if you see any other place outside Nigeria owned by me, in Abuja, in Lagos, confiscate it. What do people do with all these things? You don't have to, whether they are paid. I was governor for 8 years. I never had a lodge in Abuja. I never had all those facilities. So what is necessary?
APC is paying guys working online for them.
1 minute, don't worry, let me tell you. That's what I'm saying that you don't have to be, my brother, I understand what you're saying, but I'm saying that you can also do those jobs without getting the same benefits.
Indeed.
For 8 years I've traveled as governor. I never came here with anybody. I carry my bag. I didn't travel first class. I didn't bother. So for me, I wasn't doing anything. People ask me today, oh Peter, you save money for, we were just talking about rate of exchange. People ask me today, oh Peter, whether you save money or didn't save money. I was governor for 8 years. I didn't borrow 1 kobo. If anybody is asking whether I saved money or didn't save money, Friday, the 13th of February, you can go. The dollar that I saved is still intact. And by Friday, the 13th of February, it's worth $165 million. I didn't print it. What I did is I shut down the cost of governance. I said I don't need anybody to follow me to Abuja because nobody invited them for meeting. I didn't need anybody to follow me to London. I come here with my bag. By free share, I was just asking Alison, which is the fastest way to go to airport. I told him whether train or this thing. I want the cheapest method to go there. It's simple. It doesn't cost me anything. So I came to the day. I have my colleagues who come here, and Rolls Royce is waiting for them. Yes. I don't need to be bothered about what they are doing. It suits them. It suits them.
But it's true.
Too good what we are saying is, let's make the system work. That's why
Okute 2015.
What we are saying is that we have a government today
Peter Obi 2019,
that we
the president.
can support to continue and do well. I'm a member of the House of Representatives.
2019, we have survived 2015 already.
Presidency
Presidency 2019, you already voted.
None of those people who can tell you, who have stood by the president, worked so hard on everything, believe in the president and everything. We need to support President Jonathan. We need to bring stability in our system. You to ask the question. They've been telling me since 30 years ago when Buhari was president that the youth are
the future
leaders. Then 30 years now, they want to be. If that man succeeds in 30 years, that means I have to wait for 30 years. So your own. So you don't tell me where you go. These are the critical issues. These are what they're saying. If when Jonathan finished, we should be looking at those who are
40.
in their 50s, in their this. So maximum we should allow anybody to near them is 65. As if we want old people at all.
That's not democracy.
No. It's not the issue of democracy. It's not the issue. I'm talking about the issue of reality. Even in the church today, even in the church, they retired the bishops of Church of Nigeria at 70. Retired the ones in Catholic Church at 75. Yes. Methodist Church 70. Even the Pope will retire. Yes. So when will these people retire from Nigeria? So they have this. When will they retire? This job is something people don't retire from it? Let them retire. You know when Obasanjo was president before? That was when Reagan they were there. Reagan had died. The old Bush. You hear the old Bush talking? No. You see hear the old Bush talking? If you can't at them, there's a time you keep your mouth shut and allow the system to go. You can't just be in your village and because of trouble every day and see people say, no. Let's have a system. And that's what I came to. And I thank all of you again for being part of this evening. Please think about Nigeria. Please, some of you still have questions, can give it to Anthony, will email it to me, I'll show you, I'll answer you. Please, one thing is there that all of us here are digital. And they want to impose analog.
Analog, no way.
That's what it is. You're in school here.
I like that one.
And people are saying we can vote for people without certificate. So let me assure you that we are committed to it. Take out one thing this night. The society we have built today
will take its toll.
Will take its revenge on us and our children tomorrow.
Amen.
Let's build a better country for ourselves and our children. Thank you.
Amen.
Thank you. And please, because there is.
We have to say thank you, Your Excellency, for coming. Thank you very, very much. Before you were here, I said for His Excellency to be here, it is honorable for us as Nigerians in the diaspora because this is probably the only man that I know in Nigeria, maybe apart from Dr. Christopher Kolade, the only man that I know in Nigeria in terms of sincerity and integrity. I'll be honest with you. So I think he deserves a real round of applause for it. And he said he was not paid a couple, to be here. I believe him. I have been with him where one of the probably the richest people in wherever have offered to take him in private jet.